Hello everyone, my name is Yani and I'm from State of Polytechnic Batam. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a database system using MySQL. I will tell you the input, process, and the result. But before that, you must know what is a database. Database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. MySQL is an Oracle-based open-source relational database management system based on structured query language. Now, let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you the example of creating a student attendance database system. First, we need the input before creating the database. In database, we need the data of the docent, makul, mahasiswa, and attendance. We can use ER diagram and relational schema. In the ER diagram, they have docent, makul, absensi, and mahasiswa. In the relational schema, we need to make the four entity as the docent, mahasiswa, makul, absensi. The field which is underlined is the primary key. Primary key is a special relational database table column designed to uniquely identify our table records. In this relationship, we have one-to-many and many-to-many. We also need a schema table. In this database system, I have four tables, which is docent, mahasiswa, makul, and absensi. Second, the process. After we have the data we want to process, we can start MySQL. Let's start by creating the database name, table's name, and input the information of each table. We can type command create database tugas besar 3 semicolon. Remember, each valid command ends with semicolon. Then use the database we created with command use tugas besar 3 semicolon. We'll create a table named docent with four columns, ID docent, docent nama, ruangan, and jenis kelamin. You can follow my comment in this video to create the rest of tables. To check the table created, whether correct or not, you can type dash space table name, which is docent in this example. Next, how to insert value or data to the tables created. You can follow my comment in this video. Type insert into docent values, then open bracket quotation mark for each value as the order column, then close the bracket. You can insert as how many values you have separated with comma. To check whether the values inserted correct or not, type command select star from table name. If you want to add additional data into the table, you can type command as insert into values, open bracket, quotation mark, each value separated with comma, and close the bracket, semicolon. If you want to update the data in the table, you can type command as in this video. If you want to delete the data in the table based on certain criteria, for example, lecturer Patrick Starr resigned from the university and the course he taught was replaced by Mr. Ahmad, you can type the command as in this video. If you want to create one view with data from two or more tables, you can type the command as shown in the video. To display the view that has been created, you can type command select star from docent makul, semicolon. Lastly, the output of this data, you can use this database as your backend for website. To check the created database, you can start Apache and MySQL in XMPP and open the link http localhost/phpMyAdmin and check the database structure. That's all for this video. If you have any question, you can leave it below of this video and I will check it out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.